Welcome to Days Inn and Suites by Wyndham Kaukauna WI, where comfort meets affordability. Our friendly staff will greet you with a warm smile and ensure you have everything you need for a pleasant stay. Our comfortable and spacious rooms are equipped with all the modern amenities like a hairdryer, laundry services, and in-room coffee maker to make your stay enjoyable. A wide range of amenities makes your stay at our hotel more satisfying, including an indoor pool, free hot breakfast, business center, free Wi-Fi, and much more. Looking for local attractions? We are close to Fox River Mall and Shopping Center. Lawrence University and the Performing Arts Center are also nearby. It makes finding fun things to do in Kaukauna WI and the surrounding area easy. Whether you're here for business or leisure, Days Inn and Suites by Wyndham Kaukauna WI is the perfect choice for your next stay. Book your stay with us and experience the best of Kaukauna. Days Inn and Suites by Wyndham Kaukauna WI, where relaxation meets adventure. You can book a hotel by clicking the link in the video description.